Welcome to the farm. Today, we're going to learn about the animals that live here and the equipment used by farmers. Let's dive into more details. Cow. Cows are large, domesticated animals known for their gentle nature. They provide us with milk, which can be processed into cheese, butter, and yogurt. A single cow can produce about 6 to 7 gallons of milk per day. Chicken. Chickens are small birds that live in coops. They lay eggs almost daily and can also be raised for their meat. Chickens can recognize up to 100 different faces, both human and animal. Pig. Pigs are intelligent and social animals that enjoy rooting in the ground. They are raised for their meat, known as pork, which includes bacon and ham. Pigs have an excellent sense of smell, even better than dogs. Sheep. Sheep have a thick coat of wool that keeps them warm. Their wool is sheared and used to make clothing and blankets. They can also provide milk and meat, lamb. Sheep have a strong flocking instinct and can recognize and remember up to 50 other sheep faces. Horse. Description: horses are strong animals that can be used for riding and farm work. Use: they help with plowing fields, transportation, and sometimes herding other animals. Interesting fact: horses can sleep both lying down and standing up. Goat. Goats are curious and agile animals that can climb and jump. They provide milk, which can be made into cheese, and meat. They can also help clear weeds. Goats have rectangular pupils, which gives them a wide field of vision. Duck. Ducks are waterfowl with webbed feet and a distinctive quack. They lay eggs, and their feathers can be used for bedding. They also help control insect populations. Ducks have waterproof feathers due to an oily coating they spread from a gland near their tails. Turkey. Turkeys are large birds with fan-like tails. They are primarily raised for their meat, which is popular during holidays like Thanksgiving. Male turkeys are called toms, and females are called hens. Baby turkeys are called poults. Donkey. Donkeys are sturdy animals known for their long ears and braying. They help carry heavy loads and can also guard livestock. Donkeys have incredible memories and can remember places and other donkeys they met up to 25 years ago. Rabbit. Rabbits are small mammals with long ears and fluffy tails. They can be raised for their meat and fur and make good pets. Rabbits have nearly 360-degree vision but a blind spot in front of their nose. Goose. Geese are large birds with long necks and loud honks. They lay eggs, provide meat, and can act as watch animals on a farm. Geese are known for their strong migratory instincts and travel in a V formation to conserve energy. Llama. Llamas are large, gentle animals with long necks. They guard sheep, and their wool is used for making textiles. Llamas communicate with each other through a series of ear, tail, and body postures. Alpaca. Alpacas are similar to llamas but smaller and with softer wool. Their wool is highly prized for making soft clothing and blankets. Alpacas are very social animals and prefer to live in herds. Bee. Bees are small, flying insects that live in hives. They produce honey and beeswax and are crucial for pollinating crops. A single bee colony can pollinate 300 million flowers each day. Cat. Cats are small, agile predators. They help control the population of rodents and pests on the farm. Cats have powerful night vision, allowing them to see at light levels 6 times lower than what a human needs. Dog. Dogs are loyal and intelligent animals. They herd animals, guard the farm, and can be companions for the farmer. Dogs have a sense of smell that is 10,000 to 100,000 times more acute than humans. Peacock. Peacocks are birds known for their colorful and iridescent tail feathers. They are often kept for their beauty and can also alert farmers to danger. Only male peafowl are called peacocks, females are called peahens. Guinea fowl. Guinea fowls are small birds with spotted feathers. They help control ticks and insects and provide meat and eggs. Guinea fowl are known for their loud, distinctive calls which can warn of predators. Guinea fowl. Guinea fowls are small birds with spotted feathers. They help control ticks and insects and provide meat and eggs. Guinea fowl are known for their loud, distinctive calls which can warn of predators. Emu. Emus are large, flightless birds native to Australia. They are raised for their meat, oil, and leather. Emus can run at speeds up to 30 miles per hour. Equipment used on the farm. Tractor. A powerful vehicle used for pulling and pushing farm implements. Essential for plowing, planting, harvesting, and many other farm tasks. Tractors have different attachments for specific tasks like tilling, planting, and mowing. Plow. A tool with blades attached to a frame. Used to turn over the soil, preparing it for planting. Plowing aerates the soil, which helps plants grow better. Harvester. A machine that collects ripe crops from the fields. Speeds up the process of gathering crops like wheat, corn, and soybeans. Modern harvesters can perform multiple tasks, including cutting, threshing, and cleaning the grain. Seeder. A machine that plants seeds into the soil. Ensures seeds are evenly distributed and properly placed for optimal growth. Seeders can be adjusted for different types of seeds and planting depths. Baler. A machine that compresses hay or straw into bales. Makes it easier to store and transport animal feed. There are different types of balers, including round and square balers. Milking machine. A device that extracts milk from cows or goats. Makes the milking process faster and more efficient. Milking machines can mimic the natural milking process, ensuring the animals are comfortable. Hoe. A hand tool with a flat blade. Used for weeding and cultivating soil around plants. The hoe has been used in agriculture for thousands of years. Pitchfork. A tool with long prongs. Used for lifting and moving hay, straw, and manure. Pitchforks come in various sizes, with different numbers of tines for specific tasks. Pitchfork. A tool with long prongs. Used for lifting and moving hay, straw, and manure. Pitchforks come in various sizes, with different numbers of tines for specific tasks. Water trough. A container that holds water for animals. Ensures animals have access to fresh drinking water. Water troughs need to be cleaned regularly to keep the water fresh and free from algae. Water trough. A container that holds water for animals. Ensures animals have access to fresh drinking water. Water troughs need to be cleaned regularly to keep the water fresh and free from algae. Thanks for joining us on this adventure around the farm. We hope you enjoyed learning about all the amazing animals and incredible tools that make farm life possible. There's always more to explore and discover, so stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive even deeper into the fascinating world of farming. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. See you next time.
Please, like, subscribe for my channel.